YouTube channel. We're stranded on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere with a flat tire.
It says Thoreau 61. I-40, 63 miles.
And in our last video, we were just stranded in the middle of the desert. Now, that's literally right over there.
Yeah, the egg hatchery. We're at the egg hatchery. And we have an amazing dad who knows how to help us because the tire blew out from dry rot. It is the worst I've ever seen in my entire life. And God protected us. Literally. Thank you, Jesus. And there's the spare tire. We're praying over it. And Dad found an extra key fob. Hidden. Go look, Uriah. Go look at where the spare tire is. Go. Uriah, go look.
How would I find it?
The spare tire. He just lowered it down.
Oh, what?
Yeah, he lowered it down.
So we emptied the car.
To get some weight off.
Oh.
That's why you did.
I couldn't do it otherwise. It's too much weight.
Okay, you're going to learn from Dad. What do you do first, Dad? Give us instructions so we can all learn.
I know how to do that.
Just a tiny
I
little
had
bit.
no
No,
idea.
you don't know how to do that.
I knew that.
I don't even know how to
I
do
had
that.
no idea about how the tires drop down.
Okay. So you get all 4 of them loose, 5 loose.
This is like one of the last things you do anyway, because this, if a blowout happens like that, it will get really hot really fast.
Okay.
You can still feel there's some heat in
Oh
that.
my gosh.
But the lug nuts can be super hot too.
Hey, you changed the guy in the swell. You changed his tire.
I'm talking like for me.
Dad's shocked.
Do it once.
Dad was paying attention to the tire pressure. You're so good, Jer. I'll hold the nuts. Thank you, Jesus, for Dad's good.
Let me hold them.
No. I mean, what did I say?
They're super hot.
No, Mom's like, can we keep driving? And I was like, well, driving on a flat tire will ruin it really fast.
Yeah.
And then I started hearing noise.
Yeah, we didn't
Pulled
know.
over instantly.
Yep.
Can't ignore that.
Can't ignore it, Josiah. I hope you learned.
Oh, great. Now, wait, can we put that up in the
I'm going to put it back under the spare tire well.
Will it really fit under there? We can put it in the back. No, we're not rolling it down there. You need that whole inside part. Josiah's going to tell his friends.
Yeah, with my self-service.
I can't believe it. Let me see. Oh my God.
It's not one hole.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's like...
Dad knew we needed new tires. Oh my gosh, look.
9, 10, 11, 12.
What is that?
Oh no.
What is
It's like Lexus Benz.
Oh my
That's
God.
road.
Road crime. Oh my gosh, get it on. Wait.
We should do it.
Yeah, over there, dear. Not near. Yeah, not near the food and stuff. Here, help Daddy. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I've never experienced.
Why are you still recording?
Because I've never had to do this in my entire life. I don't even know how to experience. Yeah. Could you imagine, Dad? Aren't certain cars not doing spares?
Correct.
You said, Dad said certain cars are not having spares anymore. Because they're stupid? Yeah. I would. I'd have to hold my hand out and beg somebody to help me. No, they would know how to do it, though. No, I'm saying I don't know how to do this. You know how to do this? You better pay attention, Josiah. Pay attention, boys. You gotta help your wives.
Okay. Lug nuts. Put them on. And tighten. Pointy part in. Centers them up. Okay, next one. Give me one. You can do 2 at once.
Stop.
So, Dad, we have to keep all these tire parts, right? Because we need a new tire.
Yeah.
But the rim is the part to our car.
So I think we should go right to Albuquerque and Sam's. And just say do what you can.
It looks so tiny. same thing as hiking.
Bicycle wheel. Yeah, bicycle wheel. That's a really nice spare tire. I've never seen one that nice. Yeah, it is. This is not like a little donut. This is like a decent size.
They're all right height. So then look, when you tighten it up, start at 1, and then you go across.
Look, I can literally squish it.
Okay,
stop.
Not all the
Hey
way.
girls, let me see. What do you do? Let me see.
Across and tighten. Start at 1.
You go in a star?
Yeah, you don't do it all the way right away. No, not all the way tight.
Across?
Yeah, you go across. Oh, he's gonna go there now. And then there.
Oh my goodness. That's why you guys, when you don't have good transportation, nothing matters.
Mom, where are we going? Where's the same stuff?
Okay, thank you, Jesus, for protecting us and getting it in time. Thank you, Jeremy, for your smart brain.